Now here's something most Neat owners, as of today, probably aren't aware of. If your company already owns a Neat Bar, Neat Bar Pro, or another compatible Neat Gen 2 device, there's a good chance you're only using a fraction of what it can actually do. Today I'm going to show you 5 capabilities that most Neat owners never use, but after seeing them, you may look at your conference room completely differently. One of the biggest limitations companies run into is getting locked into a single meeting platform. Maybe one department uses Microsoft Teams, a customer sends a Zoom invite, or another partner uses Google Meet. Instead of changing conference room hardware, Mago lets compatible Neat devices join multiple meeting platforms from one room. That means Teams, Zoom, Webex, and Google Meet, all from the same conference room.
You have the ability to invite the room to join meetings. And so in this case, I have Teams, I have Zoom, I have Webex, and I have Google Meet meetings in this room.
One of my favorite features is how simple it is to start the room. Instead of needing to configure the room every time, someone simply walks in, presses start, and joins the meeting using the room's Neat equipment. No laptop running the meeting and no complicated setup.
Simply come into the room, or anybody can walk into the room that invites that room and click start, and it's going to start the meeting. And so in this case, it's a Teams meeting. And once it joins the call, hey.
Now, what happens when someone from outside your company visits? They probably aren't on your corporate network, and normally that creates a lot of unnecessary friction. With Mago, they can simply enter a code from their browser, connect wirelessly, and use the room's equipment.
I'm going to come into the room and I'm going to press present on my Neat pad. And then on the Neat pad, you're going to see a code come up. So I'm going to punch in that code here into the browser, and then I'm going to hit connect. And so what's going to happen now is it's going to ask me what I want to do. So I'm going to say I want to join a call. So what I've done is copy the Zoom link that I want to join, or I can go through any of these here and I can punch in the meeting ID and passcode, because I want to join the meeting from here, not from my laptop. I want to join the meeting from the equipment that's in the room. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the meeting link, and then I'm going to join on the screen. And so now you see it's joining the meeting. And there we go.
Instead of passing around HDMI cables, finding adapters, or connecting a laptop, users can wirelessly share content directly into the meeting. Even better, you don't actually have to join the meeting from your laptop. The room handles the meeting, your laptop simply shares the content.
And during the meeting, you can actually share content as well. So you hit share screen to call, and it's going to give you the option to share content into the call. And you're going to get to pick and choose what you want to share. So she literally doesn't have anything open. So I'm just going to say share entire screen, and I'm going to pick it, and I'm going to say share. And so now my entire screen is being shared to the call. Again, all happening wirelessly, not connected to anything with any cables or dongles. If you're done sharing, you simply hit stop sharing.
You don't even have to be connected to the corporate Wi-Fi. Whether you're using guest Wi-Fi or even hotspotting from your phone, you can still wirelessly share content into the room. For guest presenters, that's a huge advantage.
Now, the other thing that people want to be able to do is share content when not in the meeting. So they simply walk into the room, you're a visitor, you're a vendor coming in from the outside, and you want to do a training, you want to share a presentation. You simply want to walk into the room, and for Mago, you simply hit present, and you're going to be given the options to join from your browser, or you can share content from your mobile device. And again, it's super simple. And one of the cool things is you don't have to be on the corporate Wi-Fi. So you can actually share content from your laptop that's hotspotting off your 5G on your telephone, or your mobile phone. So this is one of the options that you have. Again, you don't have to, or you can be on the guest Wi-Fi instead of the corporate Wi-Fi. As long as you have internet access, you're going to be able to share content up to the room.
How do I actually get all of these capabilities? The answer is Mago. Mago is a software that's built directly into the Neat ecosystem for compatible Neat Gen 2 devices. Mago is certified compatible with a wide variety of devices and continues growing. Neat is just one of the platforms Mago works with seamlessly. Simply visit the link in the description or comments to get your license, and once your organization has a Mago license, you simply enable it within Neat Pulse, activate your license, and you're ready to go. You keep the hardware you've already invested in while unlocking an entirely new meeting room experience.
Let's access Mago through Neat Pulse. Once you're in your Neat Pulse account, you want to go to Neat Open, or it may say App Hub on yours version, and you want to scroll down and you want to find Mago. And so once you have Mago, make sure you turn it on, and then you want to go to your devices, and I'm going to pick my Neat Bar Gen 2 and Neat Pad, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go ahead and ensure that Mago is turned on. So Mago is turned on, and you want to make sure that these guys are turned off and that you are in Neat Open mode. So you're going to have, when you first fire up your Neat device, you're going to have Teams, Zoom, Open, or Other. You want to select Other, and then that's how you're going to be able to access Mago.
If your organization already owns compatible Neat hardware, don't assume you've seen everything it can do. With a Mago license, you can unlock capabilities like multi-platform meetings, wireless content sharing, simple guest access, and a much more flexible conference room experience without replacing the hardware you've already invested in. If you'd like to learn whether your existing Neat devices are compatible with Mago, contact us today and one of our advisors can verify. Otherwise, you can give Mago a try for yourself. Just visit the link in the description of this video or in the comments. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a like as it helps support our company, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.